Hey guys, here's another update video on the project car build. Today I made more progress. I got the gas tank out from the back and most of the exhaust system off. I've got the rear tires off, the back bumper off, the rear crash bar off. That one was a bugger because it was bent into the car, so I got that off. I got all of the electrical from the back side of the car is completely out and labeled, so I know what plugs go where, but it is all out the back of the car. And once I get the fuel lines and the brake lines and stuff out of the way, I will actually be able to start cutting the car. So this is the entire wiring harness from just the back of the car, like for the brake lights and the AVAP canister and everything else that's in the back of the half of the car, basically. All of those electronics ran from these wires, and I did actually label all of them. I've got them all labeled with duct tape here, like this one. So this is for the left tail light. So I've got them all labeled so I know what everything goes to. And then in here, this is the front half of the car's wiring harness. It's all labeled. The only thing that's holding this in at the moment is the plug that goes to this door. I can't get to it at the moment because the HVAC unit is still in the car and it's in the way, so I can't get to the plug to unplug it. So once I get the HVAC unit out of the way, I will be able to unplug this wiring harness and it will be good to take out of the car as well. But there's really, as you can see, not much left on the interior of the car. The doors still have their panels for now. Sunroof is completely gone. And then looking under the car here, there is no gas tank. There's a big hole right where it should be, but there is no gas tank in the car anymore. Because obviously this part of the car is gonna get cut off. So the gas tank will not be there anymore. And you can kind of see the extent of the damage that they did when they hit me. Bent the whole back of the car in and it bent the frame. $8,000 fix. Can't quite afford that for this. So, and there's the gas tank. This one's weird because it actually has the fuel pump connections and stuff on the side of the tank instead of on the top. Most of them that I've seen anyway have been on the top of the tank, not on the side. But it's nice, I guess, because then you don't have to drop the tank to get your fuel pump and stuff out if you want to replace it or put in a performance one or something like that. But you do have to drain the tank completely or you're gonna get a lot of gas pouring out of there. And then of course you can see what's left of the exhaust system here. There are some bolts I need to take out, they're rusted in. I may end up just having to grind those off to get this off. But once I get that off, the entire exhaust system will be gone. That's everything I've got done so far. It's still gonna be a little while taking the rest of the stuff off. I don't have a lot of time between school and everything else to work on it, but I work on it as often as I can, and I'll be trying to post weekly update videos on it, even if I don't get a ton done. Also, I have been working on a digital gauge cluster for it because I don't want to use the analog gauge cluster that came in this car. So I'm building a digital one to go in the new car. So basically, it's all digital. I'm still working on the design of it and some of the other programming features for it. So there's still a little bit more work to do. If you guys have any suggestions, make sure leave them in the comments below. I'm always open for suggestions on how I can improve it and make it look better. The center, I'm planning on putting like a little model of the car, kind of like a Tesla gauge cluster has. I just haven't got to that point yet. Like I said, the gauge cluster is not quite done yet. And the overall design for the car has not changed as of yet. I've just kind of been working on the model and straightening it out a little bit. And once I get a little bit more of that done, I will be reworking the rear end of the car. So that's the update video for this week. If you guys have any suggestions or any comments, leave them in the comment section below the video. If you're interested in following this build, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload an update video. And yeah, so that's it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!